Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm decluttering all of my sunglasses, so let's get into it. So I'm hoping to cull this a lot. I'm moving and I don't want to carry this many sunglasses. It's just way too much for one person's face to wear. So I'm just going to go through each one and see which ones I'm going to keep. So we'll start over here. I'm definitely going to keep these ones. I think they're really cute and they're still in style, so pop these over there. These ones, there's some sort of fake sunglasses from like a decade ago. Definitely going to get rid of them. They're just not in style anymore, so I don't see myself wearing them, so why the hell should I keep them? So put those over there. These fake Ray-Bans in the pink from like Thailand from like a million years ago. Don't see myself wearing them anymore, so I'm probably going to get rid of those. Also going to get rid of these, just don't see myself wearing them, so I don't think I want to keep those. This pair, definitely going to keep these. They are from Key Australia, the Desi Perkins ones, definitely going to keep those ones. And same with this one. It's the Beverly Hills, the Kylie Jenner ones from Keys, so I'm going to keep those as well. Next, these are just some cheap cat eye, like plain black sunglasses from eBay, but I think I'm going to keep them. I think they're pretty cute. These are just some plain aviators. You can chuck them on easily with anything. I do have this pair as well, so I don't feel like I need both pairs. But I might keep this pair and get rid of this pair. These are some fake Bali sort of like mirrored aviators. I'm not seeing myself keeping them forever, but I guess until I find something better than this, I might just keep it for now and then chuck it away as soon as I find like a better quality sort of one. That's the same thing. These are just some like cheap cotton on ones, but I think I'm going to keep them for now. I still wear them, so they pretty much go with a lot of stuff. So these bumblebee shaped ones, I'm definitely going to get rid of them. They're just not in style anymore. Don't see myself wearing them, so goodbye. These also I'm going to get rid of. They're just not in style anymore. Don't see myself wearing them. These are... But let's just not even go there. Let's just get rid of those. And these are fake Louis Vuittons from God knows which country in Asia. Whether it be Thailand or Hong Kong or something like that. Definitely going to get rid of those. These ones, I think I'm going to keep. They're still really cute. I really like that. So I'm going to keep those. These I'm also going to keep. I like the tortoiseshell. These ones are also really cute. I'm still going to keep those ones. This is the same with the other fake pair of Ray-Ban aviators from Bali. I'll keep them until I find something else better and then I'll get rid of them. So for now, they are going to keep. Another pair of colourful Ray-Bans that are fake from Thailand. They're going to have to go away. This pair, like the other black pair that I had, I think I'm going to keep them for now. But no guarantees on how long they're going to stay in my collection. A fake pair of Ray-Bans, but they're black. I think I'm going to keep these. Same with the tortoiseshell ones. They're a bit more wearable than the rainbow ones, so I'm going to keep those. And then this pair, basically very similar to those, but I'm going to keep these and I'm going to get rid of those ones. These are the sunglasses I pulled out of my handbag, so obviously I am wearing them, so I'm going to keep those. This is a pair of sunglasses I got many years ago from H&M in Paris, so I'm going to keep those purely for memories. These are really expensive sunglasses I got in Singapore. They are Charles and Keith. Very expensive. I know they're not in style anymore, but I'm still going to keep them just based on their worth. These ones are still pretty cute, so I'm going to keep those as well. I think they're from Cotton On as well, like a few of these other ones. These white fake Ray-Bans, definitely going to get rid of those with the others. These I'm definitely going to keep. These were quite, you know, expensive. Can't remember exactly where I got them from, but I really like those. These I think I got when I was in America. They're still pretty cute, so I'm going to keep those. And a pair of colourful Ray-Bans in the purple. I'm going to get rid of these. So yeah guys, that is everything I am keeping and everything I'm giving away. I'm definitely keeping more than what I was hoping to, but you know, it is what it is. I've definitely gotten rid of plenty of things I no longer need to keep, which is awesome. So apart from the two key ones in the big bulky cases, pretty much all fit into this one box, which I'm very happy with. So yeah, I would definitely call today a success. So yeah, if you guys liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other declutters if this is your kind of video. So yeah, I'll see you later guys.